In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pictures to your Wix website, and we're going to make it simple and efficient. Whether you're refreshing your site's look, highlighting a new product, or just sprucing up an old page, adding images is a crucial part of your online presence. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Wix website editor. Once you're logged into your Wix account, navigate to the dashboard and select your site. Now, this step is straightforward, but it's fundamental to ensure you're working on the correct site. After selecting your site, click on the Edit Site button to launch the Wix editor interface. Here is where all the magic happens. Now that we are in the editor, let's move on to adding the image. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar that contains several icons. Look for the plus icon, which represents adding elements to your page. For clarity, the plus icon is usually near the top of the toolbox and signifies a new addition. Click on this plus icon to reveal a variety of options. Don't let the multitude of choices overwhelm you. For our purposes today, we'll focus specifically on adding images. With the drop-down menu open, click on the Image option. Selecting this allows you to gain access to the various image tools Wix has to offer. After clicking Image, Wix will guide you to the next part of the process, which is where you can either upload a new image or choose from any images you've previously used. To add a new image, we'll be choosing Upload Images. You'll notice an Upload button that allows you to import images from your computer. By clicking this button, you can browse through files on your computer, so choose the image you want to add. Remember, Wix supports multiple file formats including JPG, PNG and GIF, but always aim for high quality images to keep your site looking professional. After selecting your image, click Open, and it will upload into your Wix account. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your image in the My Uploads section. From here you can click on your image and then hit the Add to Page button. Wix also offers additional customization options, allowing you to crop, add alt text for accessibility, or even tailors effects to fit your image's style better. Explore these options and take advantage of them to enhance your page's aesthetics. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added a new picture to your Wix website. Be sure to save your changes and always preview your site to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful for enhancing your Wix site with images.